Hi everyone, this is Brad. Today we're taking a look at Eric Kurtz's emoji math addition and subtraction. Now this is geared a little bit more towards the those that teach younger grades, but you can take a look and see all the directions that are in here. I'm going to, of course, include Eric's post as well, and he's a great follow on Twitter and gives very detailed explanations of how you can use this in your classroom. But I just want to show you real quickly. This is something where you could share with families. You could work on this together as a whole class, or you could go ahead and share this. For example, in Google Classroom, you could share it and force a copy for each student so they'd have their own copy to try. So let's go ahead and you can, of course, read the directions, but I'll just go through this real quickly. There's addition 1, addition 2, subtraction 1, and subtraction 2. So if we're going to do addition 1, you can see they can choose their emoji right up in here, so they can choose what they like. Let's do a soccer ball, and they enter in the first number. So they're going to have to kind of type in right in there, and you'll notice the emojis come up, and the sum right now is going to show 5. But if we go ahead and do 4 in here and hit enter, you're going to see the answer comes up here, so they just have to go ahead and type that in, and it shows that they are correct. If your answer is correct, the third box will turn green. Now, if you get it wrong, let's go ahead and take that out. Let's say it's 7. You're going to see it comes up with kind of a red, so they know that they're going to have to go in and fix it. Now let's go into addition 2. So if we do it this way, and we're going to change the emoji here to, there we go. Let's do 6 plus 3. But you're going to notice the whole total does not, the sum does not come up down there. So they could go ahead and enter in 9, and now it comes up. So I wanted to show that to you, that is a way to differentiate. It does help. The first one is going to help them go ahead through. So if we did another one, let's just do 10, take away 3. They're going to see they could answer it right down in there and enter it. So there you go. Again, you can always go through. You can add more emojis, as you can see right in here. These are the ones that Eric has included. If you have any questions, please reach out. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.